Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to send silent messages on Instagram. This means that the other person will not receive a notification that you sent them a message. So let's go ahead and get started in the video. The first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram app. Once you've done this, you want to click on the little airplane in the top right. From here, you can click on anybody you want to send that message to. I'll just click the very first person on my messages list. So you go down your message, and all you need to do is put in the @ symbol. And as you can see, a notification pops up saying if you put @silent, it will send a message without a notification. So do @silent. And then you'll click hi. So this will pop up. You send this. So this guy, Mr. Beast, will not see this until he opens up his DMs and looks around. So that's how you send a silent message on Instagram. Hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.